Hi, this is Lucy from PDFmyURL. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Wget to convert web pages to PDF on the command line. Let's start and go to the terminal. Suppose we want to convert the web page PDFmyURL.com to PDF. All we need to do is use the following wget command. This will store the PDF as result.pdf. As you can see, we use two parameters only: the license for our service and the URL that we want to convert. Of course, you can use additional parameters to control the layout of the PDF if you like, but that stuff is for another demo. This is all we need to get the job done. As you can see, this is a PDF of the webpage PDFmyURL.com. It really is that simple. If you want to use Wget to convert URLs to PDF yourself, then please go to PDFmyURL.com and get started.